You another journal that I've made, and this one is made using digital kit from Tsunami Rose, and it's called French Classifieds. I will link Tsunami Rose below so you can go over and check out all her kits. It's a traveller's notebook size journal. It's just slightly wider than what I would normally do. They're normally 4.5 wide. This one is 4 3/4 by the 8 1/4. I have decorated it with this image, which isn't from the kit, but it was in my stash and I liked it. It's been sewn onto coffee dyed paper, some lace and crocheted trim, a double sari silk bow here. That is the patterned paper that's been sewn onto cardstock and then inked up and stenciled. There is 72 pages front and back, and this will also be listed in my shop. The link for that will be below as well. So as you can see, it's turned out rather chunky again. There's a lot of ephemera going on in this. It's all, you can take it all out and you can move it around, you can write on it, you can add photos to the back of it, you can do lots of different things with it. So this is one of the pages from the kit. This comes in 2 sizes. It comes in a normal journal size and also the traveller's notebook size. So here we have a pocket. I've used some of the pages as well to make pockets, like this one here. This little pocket here is, the word here is from Dreams, etc. And it's from her collage kit. That's what it's called. And we've got a large tag in there, some vintage ephemera from Tsunami Rose. We have a stamped and stenciled tag, and it's also been coffee dyed, and the coffee was quite light, but there's a nice shimmer to it. A library card, a little booklet that comes with the kit, and that just pops in there. And then we have this image here of the Eiffel Tower. I think that pops in there. Some edge punching, some stenciling, lovely shimmer going on. It's a book page. Here is an envelope. This isn't from the kit, but it's from Tsunami Rose. There's nothing in the envelope, so you can pop stuff inside there. So it's just getting rather chunky. Here we have, now where did I find this? I think I found this on the old design shop, and it's a French bottle label, so I've just popped that in there. Or we have this is from Dreams, etc. And so I put that in there as well. This is one of the pages from the kit. This is from one of the full-size journal pages, excuse me, and there's another tag somewhere else in the journal, so I just made that into like a long tall tag that you can journal on. Some stenciling, some stamping, some crocheted trim, page from the kit. Here, this was another one of the pages, and I just made some pockets. Oh god, I'm out of frame. And put some this heart trim on here. We've got a tag. I can't seem to get my camera back into the way I normally had it for some reason. I had to bend the tripod for something else that I was doing, and it just doesn't seem to be sitting back in the right place. So we've got a tag here, some more ephemera. This is from Tsunami Rose, but not from the kit. A little double journaling card there. Again, this is from Tsunami Rose. She's got so many packs of like ephemera. There's just tons and tons of them, and they're good to have. Here we have a little tiny envelope from the kit. Just pop that in there. Got a doily, a glassine bag. Love the noise. Some edge punching. Another page from the kit. Here we just have, I used one of the pages again and just made a corner flip here. And a tag. A postcard. This is from the kit. Tag that I made. This is from the kit as well. So it's another journaling spot. And then there is this from the kit. Small edge punching book page. This is from Dreams Etc. And then there is one of these trifolds which I've sprayed with coffee shimmery spray. So that looks really nice and shimmery. And that just pops on there. Oops, here. Again, one of the pages from the kit. I just made a little booklet with that. So you can do some additional journaling. And there's another one on the other half of the journal. Some crocheted trim. Lots of stenciling and shimmer. Center of the signature. And that's the other one that I made, and again that's just a booklet as well, so you can do lots of writing on that as well. So there's lots and lots of writing space. Oops. Here we just have a journal card from Dreams Etc. And a book page, some edge punching, another corner, oh god I can't do that, there we go, corner flip. So much shimmer on that page. A tag. Now the shimmer is used with it's makeup eyeshadow shimmer. So you know, if you were doing your own and you buy the shimmer, you just add it to your coffee water, or even just clear water to just give something a nice shimmer. A postcard. That's from the kit. The glassine bag, the doily, another pocket here, large tag, some ephemera, which is from the kit, a little journal card there from the kit, that's from the kit, a tag that I made, a double little journal card there, again it's from Tsunami Rose, and then this tiny little envelope which is from the kit, it just pops in there, some lace trim, here we have another envelope, and I've done another one of these which is highly shimmery. I actually don't know whether you can see that or not. It's a nice gold shimmer. We have another one of those tags from the other side of the sheet, from the full journal size page. Another journaling card there, and that pops in there with the paper clip. Oops. And that is the envelope. Is that French? I think that might be French, and that's from the old design shop. Here we just have another pocket similar to the one in the front with a large tag, and this is from Dreams Etc. as well, and I've just made that into a pocket. Some ephemera, some more ephemera here. Again, I think that's French. Yep, it is. This image here is from the kit. We have a tag, a library card, and just a little piece of ephemera there. And that is the journal. So that's what you get. Like I said, I will link everything below. I'll link Tsunami Rose and my website where I sell my journals. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.